Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Copycat Long John Silver's fried fish. I'm using whiting, but let me get you started here. You need 2 cups, and you do want to use self-rising flour. You need half a cup of this stuff.
I knew you were going to say this stuff. Half a cup of this stuff.
This here stuff. It looks like a Lego. See, it looks like a Lego. How's everybody doing on this election night? It's only 7:30, so we don't know nothing yet.
By this time that this airs on the YouTube, you probably still won't know.
True. Alright. Half a cup cornstarch. This here stuff. You need a couple of teaspoons of salt, which I need to refill. I'm a loving hubby does, that's his job. 20 teaspoons of pepper, heaping for me, maybe a couple. I like the pepper. Some paprika, of course I only use smoked, so then I'm going to use the rest of that. There you go.
Paprika.
But you're supposed to use about a half teaspoon. About a teaspoon of onion powder. And you know what's going to make it crispy, besides the cornstarch, is club soda. Let me give this a good go round. I'll need 2 cups of this. Now I've got my oil heating up over there to 350. Now I'm going to put me some flour in another little dish. So I'm going to bread it in the flour first before I put it in the batter. And I will meet y'all over at the, at the stove here in a minute. Alright, we'll see you over there in a minute. Okay, I've got my canola oil, and it's heated up to 350. I've got my whiting. I'm going to dredge it in some flour first. Then in the batter. I don't want to put too much in.
Don't stick your finger in there. She's trying to cook her fingers, I tell you what.
Alright, that's all I'll put in there for now. I do have my pan over here with the wire rack. I'm gonna let this cook a few minutes. And there's no paper towels. Imagine that. Alright, I'll bring you back whenever I'm putting the last, get ready to take the last batch out. Well, these are the best looking ones, the last ones. Alright, we're just having fish and grits tonight. I have a lot of this left over, so tomorrow I think I'm going to be doing onion straws. So I'm going to strain all this out, and we'll see you over at the bar. Alright guys, like I said, we're just having fish and grits tonight. This is one of our big favorite meals. I just try to find a new way to do the fish. I'm going to let Tony fix it home. Alright, our Copycat Long John Silver's battered fried fish is ready. I want to thank y'all for joining us. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Tony said I got flour on my face. Usually at 2 p.m. Share this out on your social media. Leave me a comment. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper's ready. Love y'all. Bye.
Bye-bye.